Hey everybody, it's Arena, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime. You probably already have these ingredients. The main ingredient is glue and eye drops. You're like, but we've seen many videos that has eye drops, glue, and shaving gel. Nobody has time for it. So today we're just going to need not shaving gel, eye drops, and glue. So, as I said, so you're just gonna put some Elmer's glue in your bin or wherever you're gonna store your thingy majiggy. And how do I say? I'm sorry, I was distracted by it. I'm sorry, I was distracted by my TV. Also, so you're just gonna pour your glue, and then your eye drops. And then once you mix it, you will start getting some paste. You're like, that's not all. So what you want to do is gonna take some time and let it sit there for like a couple of 5 minutes, then start mixing it again. So I might probably show you just the mixture. This is how it will look like. So this is how it looks. If you touch it, don't stick your hands, and you just really want to mix it very well. And also, I'm gonna try to get you close up here. It's actually super goopy. I have not tried whipping it apart with my fingers. It might look like this for a while, but once you start mixing it just a little bit more, sorry about that, and you'll just get the hang of it. Bye guys.